What's up guys, Goons with the Guns here. Today we're going to be using the Presto Gun Blue Pen to do some minor touch-ups on the finishes of the Browning BPS and the Arms Corporation Model 30. Alright, starting with the Browning BPS, you can see that we have a few scratches here at the top of the receiver, along with scratches from use here and on the barrel. Let's see if we can, fix these scratches a little bit. Now this should help bring the blue back to like what it was in the factory after it left. I can already tell it's working. Now I'm going to try this right here on the slide. That's definitely setting in. Now, to the barrel. I'm not sure how well this will work. Oh, yep, that's working too. I'm not sure if you can see these scratches because they're so small to begin with, but they're already returning to their blue color. Wow. Alright, let's go back to this side. I'm not sure how well you can tell, but this is already repairing these scratches fairly well. I have to say, I'm surprised. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. And as you can see, this is a white marker. So everything that's happening is not just like a Sharpie, it's actually chemically bluing it. Now, let's flip the gun over. See if we have anything else. See, we can try right here. See, okay. Now you can tell that's already helped. Look here. Let's see what happens after wow. Also trying on the slide on this side. Seems to be working great. Alright, let's move on to our next gun. Now we're going to move on to the Arms Corporation Model 30. Now we have this gun set up differently because most of the aesthetic damage is on the other side of the receiver. We're also going to again work on the barrel down here. Now let's move back to the receiver. Now this is some pretty significant scratching right here. Let's hope for the best. And it worked wonders on the other gun, so I'm sure it'll do the same on this one. Show the first part again, Logan. See that right there? It's no longer nearly, it's a lot bluer now, as is the rest of this gun. Let's see. I'm sure you can't see from that angle, but I'm again working the area that gets the most abuse on this weapon. And that instantly cleared up. Let's move on to the barrel. I hope you can see this with this lighting here. Alright, let's come back here and see how this is doing. It looks like as soon as if we wipe this these blotches off, it'll be blue once again. Alright, looks good.